right? No windows around back, just the door, entranceway, and then another entranceway on the end. Holy smokes, look at all them stickies. Look at all those stickies. Wow. This is going to be fun. Wow. I wish I would have looked at this job. This is not what I pictured. Not what I pictured. It is mad stickies on here. Mad. There's silicone on here. Oh my goodness. So the job is taking a little longer than I thought, but that's okay. I actually had to go to the store because I was parched. I came back, somebody moved my ladder, and I had the rags hanging on top of the ladder. And as you can see, when they moved it, they made the rag fall off the top of the ladder. And rather than climb it and try to fish for it, I love this thing, man. Look at that. Look how easy that was, man. This is fun. This is great. I'm smiling. Just tell y'all this thing grabs. I go pull the rag off of this, and I ended up pulling the whole thing off the pole tip. That rag wouldn't budge for nothing. And then when I finally did pull the whole thing off the pole tip, just trying to rip the rag off, I had to hold it with this hand and literally give it some force to yank that rag through. So this was a very good idea. That rag is not going nowhere. So get yourself a handy sleeve. It's very handy. Very, very handy.
You did, and that's right now. But on top. Yep. Just forget that. Okay.
These are also good for you to keep it. You can keep these in your pocket.
These will be
Somebody
erasers. Yeah.
But these are good because they fit in your pocket.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
The Sponge Outlet makes these.
Oh,
That's
yeah?
where I order thousands of these.
Oh, okay.
Of the big ones, and they have these, and now they have some different types.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't have to use as many we used to use a lot.
Really?
I use the millimeter.
Yeah, they were good,
on
man.
my orbiters. Did you see
Oh,
the discs?
yeah, I saw them.
Around
I saw them.
one.
Yeah.
Yep.
These are good for the frames and all that. That's why I like them.
Yep.